We're going to explain how to swap columns in Excel. There are several ways to achieve this, and we'll cover the most common and efficient methods. Using the cut and paste method. This is the simplest approach, especially for beginners. Select the entire column you want to move by clicking the column header, the letter at the top. Then right-click and select Cut. Next, navigate to the column where you want to place it. Right-click on the header of that column and choose Insert Cut Cells. This will shift the existing columns to the right and insert your cut column into the desired location. Remember that if you accidentally pasted in the wrong place, you can easily undo the action using Ctrl+Z or CMD-C on a Mac. Using the drag and drop method. This method is even faster than cut and paste. Select the entire column by clicking its header. Then, hover your cursor over the column's border until the cursor changes to a four-headed arrow. Click and drag the column to your desired location. You'll see a vertical line appear indicating where the column will be inserted. Use the mouse button to finalize the swap. Again, if you're unhappy with the placement, undo is your friend. Using VBA, Visual Basic for applications. For users comfortable with VBA, this provides a more automated solution, particularly useful for swapping multiple columns or performing this action repeatedly. Open the VBA editor, Alt plus F11. Insert a new module, Insert Module. You would then write code similar to this. Sub-swap columns, columns AA. Cut destination, columns CC, columns CC. Cut destination, columns AA. And sub. This specific code swaps columns A and C. You'll need to change the column letters AA, CC, to reflect the columns you want to swap. Remember to save your workbook as a macro-enabled workbook. XLSM. This method allows you to create a button or assign a shortcut for easy repetitive swapping. Or, using Excel's sort function for adjacent columns only. If the columns you want to swap are next to each other, you can use the sort feature as a quick workaround. Select both columns. Go to the Data tab and click Sort. Specify the column you want to come first as the primary sort key. This will effectively swap the order of the columns, but keep in mind it only works when the columns are adjacent. These four methods offer a variety of ways to swap columns in Excel, from simple drag and drop to automated VBA solutions. Choose the method that best suits your skill level and the frequency with which you need to perform this task. Remember to save your work frequently to avoid losing progress.